So, guys, yeah. So this is a phone a customer brought it to me for me to repair today. Well, she's a woman. You know how women they handle phones. Sometimes they are careless. So when she bought it, she said that I don't know whether it fall down. So the power button and then the volume keys are not working. Also, the back cover is spoiled. So I should fix it. As you can see, I don't know whether she was using it for something else. I don't know whether they were using it to play or I don't know. So this how the phone situation looks like. It looks like now. So my job is to fix it. That is it. I should not complain. So I'm about to fix it. First of all, we have to check about the this thing, whether the phone is a working phone or not. So I have to plug the battery terminal. So where is my charger? Where's my charger? Find out whether my charger be around. So as you can see, I've got a charger that I want to try. Sorry, this one is a Type C. So I have to grab a Type C charger and check whether it's working. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I have seen some light indicator. Alright, it has shown that it's charging. You can see it. Yes. So it means the phone is a working phone. Alright, let's go get to the work. So since since the power battery is not working, you have to bring it out first to check whether it's truly that one that's causing it to for it not to charge. So right now I'm unplugging everything from it. There is the SIM tray. Let me see whether it can use it. Alright. So now we have taken it off. Now we're about to remove the power button. Yes. So this is how the power button is. Because I've called the store to check whether they have some. They told me that there's that like right currently some are not available. So the only way to fix it is that to replace the damaged parts, the ones that have been spoiled on it. I have to replace it, and then that is it. Then it's get back to work. So this one the fresh one cry. There's no need for us to worry ourselves for fixing it again. The fixing that old one. So this one, we'll just go straight and fix it. So how this is how we will do it. So we will plug the battery, the network cable, then the screen connector. You just remove it, and that is it. So you use the tweezers or maybe any sharp thing you can use to open it. Then use it that one to open it. This one. So after you have removed the board, then you replace your side key. We call it side key, but normally me I call it side switch because it is the same for that you find the volume up, volume down, and then the power key. So normally I call it side switch. Then you just place it here. First of all, you have to remove the battery. Um, let's see if I can remove the battery. Yeah. So I've removed the battery. So first of all, you have to place this thing inside inside the case, the phone case. Then you make sure it sits well inside it. Inside it. Then the other side too, you make sure it matches the exact position so that you won't find it problem or wanting. Yeah. So that is it. And then you are done. This one you have to make sure it sits well because it's connected to the teeth. The teeth on the board. This one. Where is it? This one. You can see it. This one. So if if you didn't position it well, it won't fix with the teeth, and then it's going to be a problem. You can't switch it on. Yes. So after I'm done with it, then we just insert the board back to the position it was. So something like this. Then you plug back your string cable, then the network cable, and that is it. So you are good to go. So this is how you're supposed to fix it without any problem. Yeah. So you just insert your battery, make sure you plug in the battery well, then you find out whether what you have done is working. First of all, because we don't have the bolt on it, you have to press it so that you can connect with the cord, the teeth. Then you put the tweezers on the power button. Then you wait for it to switch on. So let's wait. So you wait. Now you see it has switched on and it's working. So that's it. So since I've done with it, I have to close it. But the owner, the back cover of it is spoiled. So I want to see whether I can join it together. Then I put it on it, and that's it. Okay. So let me down with it.